Beeswax-coated fabric bags are a significant step up from standard cotton or polyester pouches. While both are reusable, the magic is really in the beeswax coating. Grab some cotton fabric and sew a simple pouch. Next, sprinkle on some natural beeswax pellets. Iron it out. The heat seals the wax into the fibers, making it water-resistant and antimicrobial. These bags are a total game changer. Whether you're packing raw nuts or even crunchy pretzels, the wax seal keeps out the humidity that usually makes snacks go stale. They're sturdy enough to toss into a work bag or a lunchbox, and you'll never have to reach for a single-use plastic zip bag again. Reusable, zero waste, eco-friendly, fresher food, money-saving, washable. The warmth of your hands seals the bag shut. No zippers, no waste, just fresh food. The best part about moving toward a plastic-free kitchen is how much more intentional it makes your space feel. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community. I'd love to hear from you in the comments.